Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox text chat on Xbox. Communicating with friends and other players on Roblox for Xbox is now easier than ever. You have two main ways to send messages: using your controller with the on-screen virtual keyboard, or by connecting a physical USB keyboard for faster typing. Before you start, it's important to check a few settings to ensure everything works smoothly. Let's dive into how to get your chat up and running. To ensure your text chat works first, make sure your Roblox application is fully updated. Next, within Roblox settings, enable cross-platform play to communicate with everyone. Crucially, check your Xbox console's privacy settings under Communication and Multiplayer to allow interactions. Finally, in Roblox's privacy settings, confirm that Experience Chat and Direct 1 vs 1 chat are both set to everyone for complete functionality. For quick messages, the virtual on-screen keyboard is your go-to. While in a Roblox game, simply press the view button on your Xbox controller, which has two small rectangles. This action will bring up the chat window, and the virtual keyboard will appear. Use your controller's D-pad or joystick to move between letters, pressing the A button to select them. Once your message is complete, press Enter or the menu button to send it to the chat. For a much faster and more efficient typing experience, connect a standard USB keyboard to any available USB port on your Xbox console. Your Xbox will recognize it instantly, requiring no additional setup. Once connected, simply press the / key or the Enter button to open the chat interface and type your messages directly. Additionally, for very quick responses, you can access preset phrases through the quick communication options, saving you valuable time during gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.